In fact, also tracking the latest that's coming in with respect to the blast near Delhi's Red Fort area, which has prompted state governments and even security agencies to implement stringent measures, not just in Delhi but across India. Central Industrial Security Force has issued a high alert for airports and metro stations across the country following the blast. Security has been heightened in the national capital with the Red Fort and adjacent metro station closed for public until further notice. While other metro stations are operating normally, Delhi Metro is on high alert. Key locations under heavy security include government buildings, Delhi Airport, railway stations, heritage sites across the national capital. Security measures have also been intensified at major public places and transportation hubs. The Delhi police has even issued traffic advisory that no vehicles will be allowed on Netaji Subhash Marg from Chatta rail cut to Subhash Marg today and have even advised the people to opt for alternative routes. In the state of Uttar Pradesh, ADG Law and Order Amitabh Yash has said that security has been heightened across border areas. All sensitive religious sites including Ayodhya and Mathura have been placed under heightened vigilance, with security agencies and police instructed to increase patrolling in these areas. In Haryana, a high alert has been sounded as well, with police having advised the public not to panic and to report any suspicious person or object to the emergency helpline 112. In the state of Uttarakhand, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has ordered intensive security checks at interstate and international airports, the borders, religious sites, the airport, markets, bus stands, railway stations, malls and other crowded areas too. Also in the state of Madhya Pradesh, the state government has deployed thousands of police personnel in Bhopal, while cities like Indore, Jabalpur, Gwalior and Ujjain are also on high alert, and Intel and Cyber Police are also on standby. As for Maharashtra, the state government has issued precautionary alerts for Mumbai, Pune and other districts. Bihar is also on high alert amid the ongoing second phase of assembly elections. In the state of West Bengal, security checks have been intensified at Kolkata's airport and railway stations. Down south, Telangana police have increased patrolling in Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar and other cities with stepped-up security checks in place in crowded areas too. Bengaluru in Karnataka is also under city-wide alert, while Chennai airport has seen increased security measures. In the state of Kerala, security has been heightened around airports, railway stations, metro stations, bus terminals to ensure public safety. Well, following the deadly Delhi blast, security has been heightened across several states in India, including Tamil Nadu too. Take a look at this report sent by our principal correspondent, Siddharth MP from Chennai.
In the immediate aftermath of the deadly car bomb blast in Delhi, a nationwide security alert has been issued, and in line with that security alert, security has been beefed up in vital installations and crowded places across the country. We're right now coming to you from the Chennai airport, where the bomb disposal squad of the CISF and also the state police have been deployed. So the teams are conducting randomized checks of vehicles that are passing through the airport, and they're also checking the cargo holds of multiple vehicles that are entering the airport. And this is not just here, but in multiple locations across the city, be it railway stations, be it malls, be it crowded places including beaches and other public places. Security has been beefed up, and of course this is in line with a nationwide alert following the deadly incident in Delhi, and of course in several other parts of the country. Similar efforts are underway by the security authorities to crack down on any suspicious activity, because there's a high alert nationwide. From Chennai, Siddharth MP, Beyond World is One.